In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert text-based snippets in your browser URL bar. First, you need to make sure that the text-based extension is installed in your Chrome browser. You can do this by looking for the text-based icon in the extension menu. Now, let's see it at work. Here, I have a snippet with the link to a Zoom meeting. To insert it, I click inside the browser's URL bar and type TB followed by the space or tab key. This will activate the text-based Chrome search provider. Now, I just need to type the shortcut of the snippet I want to use. TextBlaze will also provide snippet suggestions as I type. Once I've chosen the desired snippet, by clicking on it or pressing enter, TextBlaze will insert it in my URL bar and load the page. This method is great for when you have long and complex links that you visit frequently. And if you're in a team, you can use it to provide your teammates with quick access to frequently used pages, such as your company wiki. In fact, that's how we use it at TextBlaze. To learn more about how to use TextBlaze in the URL bar, check out the companion post with handy examples that you can import right into your dashboard with just a click. The link is in the video description.